Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation today. And next, I would like to thank you to visit World Health 2024, give opportunities to make presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. I am Arisa Mafiro from Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta, majoring in Indonesian Language and Literature. On this occasion, I would like to present my article, the entitled Conventional Indicator of Clickbait Language in Persecution Headlines in Mass Media. Okay, the first is this article is about the article is about headline in mass media. This is the example of the headline of mass media. An example of the headline like this show the cause and effect of an initial intention will be on the dangerous part of the robbery and cigarette butts at the gas station. However, to avoid receiving incomplete news, reading needs to be understood in stage. Clickbait generally aims to exploit the perceived gap or curiosity group by presenting information that makes the reader curious enough to fulfill this curiosity. The reader must click on a link. Okay, this is the introduction. Various news providers are also competing to present creative news, one of which is through clickbait. However, it needs to be understood that clickbait has the purpose of attracting readers. The news titles using article language clickbait bring high reader traffic for the news providers. It is not uncommon for the tab to start from clickbait that does not match the content. News on sensitive topics such as violence or persecutions has its own attention for readers. News of persecution spreads quickly and contains the sympathy of all Indonesian people. This reason motivates the selection of research topic in the form of the news violence and persecution in the mass media. News of violence is often found from the background of public figures, children of official to civilians. Therefore, this phenomenon is interesting to researchers to conduct research. Researchers choose conventional indicator because it can be known simply or generally. Identifying and analyzing indicator is followed by grouping utterance based on mean, function, and type. Okay, the next is method. The research was conducted using a qualitative descriptive method. Qualitative methods are used to obtain input data that contains leading researchers positioned as an instrument. Sugiono, 2012. The object under study is in the form of characters, which are also clickbait in persecution used in online mass media in early 2024. Receptively, with written language can only use the node technique as a double of the free listening technique. Masun, 20 and 17. The researcher positioned himself as an observer who is not involved in the process in the writing language. The node taking technique is a further technique to record clickbait data on news headlines that are relevant for research to be processed. Okay, the result and discussion. Conventional indicator itself can be interpreted directly in accordance with the meaning of the words said by speech partner in accordance with what in conveyed by the speaker. Padilla et al. 2020. Mutual understanding of meanings because it's considered common speech to understand. An indicator generally has a context that accompanies an utterance as a supporter and enhancer of clarity in sentence descriptions. Conventional forms are durable and do not always depend on conventional speech, but can be received directly according to what is heard. Implicator released on the indirect meaning or implied meaning. Core et al. 2023. The data of the data of the results succeed in the deep analysis. The division of data is depicted in the following chart. Implicator meaning have a three main data analyzed, types of implicator for declarative data, and two imperative data. Implicator function, two directive data, two assertive data, two expressive data, and one permissive data. Conventional implied meaning in clickbait or persecution news headline in mass media. This meaning in clickbait. And number one is the news clickbait is police uncovered case of provocation on social media containing invitation to power. The speech contact is a press conference as held by Treskrimum Polda Metro Jaya, which was attended by media partners. The expression was conveyed to public in order to convey information about brawl occur in jurisdiction of Polda Metro Jaya. Based on the evidence, it was revealed that the invitation to brawl to provocation for social media containing harass words are violating the norms of decency. The action against four preparators was carried out within a period of 10 days. Disclosure by Treskrimum with cycle patrols. The meaning is the success of the police against his Treskrimum Polda Metro Jaya in carrying out its duties. Police in the community to protect nature and serve the community. Next is types of conventional indicator implicated of prosecution news headline is mass media. The type is declarative or sentence clickbait. This is data number 6. Junior high school students suspected of molesting kindergarten translated in the Chibukul become suspect. The speech context is a 40 years old junior high school student was named a suspect after being disseminated on the phone guilty of a sexual abuse. The victim was a 6 years old kindergarten student. The molestation was committed against the victims on the edge of the Cipinang River in Ciracas, Jakarta. Evidence in the form of a post-mortem has been obtained from the Kramat Jati Police Hospital team of doctors. The victim was given assistance after receiving threats to be beaten by suspects. Information about the development of the case, the status of the suspect has arisen to become a suspect. Data 6 states the development of the case. The news is an update of the previous news. It can be said to be a full news of real-time concern nature. Susanti and Ratmita 2020. The nature of the headline states an increase in the status of individuals to suspect. Okay, the next type is imperative or common clickbait. Police discontinue legal process of one preparator of Almah treatment in Jakarta. That's the speech contact conducted for teenagers were detained by police for carrying sharp weapons and carrying out the stabbings. One offender was 18 years old and the other three were minors. The police instructed them to stop the case against the 18 years old offender because he had agreed to make peace with the victim. The teenager was only riding a motorcycle and did not commit the stabbing. He also had a legal problem but minimal involvement in the case. Data 9, characteristic by the verb discontinue, which has the nature of commanding or altering. It functions as an expression for speech partner to do something. Dinanta and Diana 2023. The form on the command is in the form stopping law enforcement against one perpetrator of prosecution. Okay, the next is the last one. The function of conventional indicator in clickbait of prosecution news headline is not material. Function number 1 is assertive clickbait. Police arrest DKI Jakarta, DKI ASN for child sexual abuse. The speech context is the perpetrator is a victim breaker on Jalan Swati Cempaka Baru, Kemayoran District Central Jakarta, is credited with a report from the victim to parents about the child's condition. The indicated has been going on for 1 year. The victim is 11 years old. The perpetrator gave the large of money and small strings so that the victim would not tell anyone else. A serious speech function to convey a statement unasking as a suspect of sexual abuse was successfully proven until the detention was carried out. The beginning of the title, Police Claim DKI ASN, is the key of the news and verb. The word called indicates the arrest of an ASN. The second focus, the emphasis, is on the figure who is a civil servant who is seen by the wider community as a moral person with a noble personality. Okay, the next is a function about expressive clickbait. The news clickbait is internal voluntary prosecution case is considered to worsen the image of the 2024 election implementation. The dispute of the context is an observer said that one of the indicators of a democratic election is not only the absence of the violence, but also that people avoid feeling intimidated. The observer was the director of Lingkar Madani, or Lima. The topic referred to is the issue of the persecution of presidential and vice presidential candidate Ganjar Mahfud volunteers by TNI personnel in Boyolali. Data 15 use the word image, which gets a negative assumption from the word worsen as an expression of criticism thrown during election situation. Expressive speech of criticism and satire seeks to insinuate or express reproach that does not directly include consider of the bad and good of a things. Snaini et al. 2023. The conclusion is the news present often requires people to always criticize what they read, especially if the clickbait is too excessive to attract critics but does not match the personally have a higher return traffic. For that, is need in understanding information so that there is no misunderstanding that leads to wrong view of the news. News writers use language that is common or easily understood by readers. Therefore, to understand news cannot be done by reading headline and clickbait. Reading the information as a whole support and information conveyed without any misperception stemming from the understanding the title to the content of the news gradually. Okay, that's all in my presentation. I'll say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.